Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Shekran from Trendrooster. Today we are going to look at the ShortCALL HEDGE presentation. In this we are going to look at the SAR. SAR means stop and reverse. So let's look at the techniques. Legal disclaimer. Please take few minutes to read this disclaimer. Okay, let's move on to this adjustment techniques. This is ShortCALL HEDGE. I have already presented in the money put calendar how to adjust a ShortCALL of using in the money put calendar. And today we're going to look at the SAR. Let's look at the details. Okay, so the rule of SAR, which is say example, we have shorted in a Nifty some 5%, sorry 2% away. So you shorted some calls, okay, or in stocks or anything, and your market is moving upward. So you wanted to adjust the short call, right? So one of the method is called SAR. So how this stop and reverse works? So example, let me draw it. Okay. Okay, this would be your short call, right? Short call profile. Okay, so this will be unlimited. So market is reaching this way. So using star, how this we are going to fix this issue? Okay, let's look at that. So say example, what I'm trying to say is if your short call or put reached 150%, this is star mark, means this percentage depends on your risk appetite, right? So of premium received, then stop and reverse. Say example, you have already shorted one of the call and the premium is say example 100 rupees you received it, and you wait for that to become 1 times multiplied by 1.5 factor, so which is a 150 percentage, which is a 150. So wait till become become 150 and then stop and reverse. What I means, say example, 750 quantity of say example okay, so let me pick the pin. Okay, so example, you have a 750 quantity here. Okay, shorted C. Okay, $750 quantity and shorted, and the moment the market reaches or wait for this become 100 rupees premium you received it, wait for till 150. So depends on the factor. Okay, I am mentioning about 150%. So here I have mentioned about your risk appetite. So either you can do a star based on your risk appetite. It could be 1.25 factor or it could be 1.5 or 1.75 or 2, which is a 200%. So one moment reached this become a 150 premium, so which is a 50% increased whatever I received. So what I will do, I will place an order of 1500 quantity of buying the call option. What it become is become a long call, and 50% is become already recovered, and then so you can make another call, sell another call, which is another 1 or 2 strike away. You can sell the call again, another 750 quantity here. Here will be on here will be a 750 quantity here. So this will be a plus. This will be minus. Okay, so now by doing this SAR, by doing the 1500 quantity SAR, you are actually limiting the risk of 50% of premium received, and then you are making the move to the you're not blocking the trend. Say, for example, market is moving and violently moving to the upside. You are just reversing, stop and reverse the short call to the long call, and then you are reducing furthermore, again selling for one more call to reduce this under the below the water. Okay, so this will move furthermore. If you sell that another 750 quantity here, 750 quantity here, this will be lift furthermore and will become everything will be above the water line. So this is how it works. Hope you guys understand this simple concept. So I'll explain one of the method. Say I'll use some other concept. Okay, let's take the examples. The example, another example is maybe a put. Okay, so this is your short put. So you're looking for, you received maybe 80 rupees of premium received. So market is going down, and what you have to do depends on your risk factor. Either it could be a 1.5 factor or 1.75 or 2 or 1.25, depends on your risk factor. Okay, so for I've given example of 1.5. So 1.5 time means it's a 120 rupees. The moment the premium of a short put reached to 120 rupees, so what I'll do, this will become 120, right? So what I'll do, I'll place 1500. I mean double the quantity. Say 750 quantity, I already shorted the put. Then I'll buy a 1500 quantity of put, and then I'll sell one more put. It'll become a bear put spread. So this is your long put, and this is your furthermore short put. And you can reduce furthermore drawdown, then you can sell one more short put also. So this is how it works. Hope you guys understand this concept. This is a SAR, very powerful and easy to manage. This can be used as a monthly income also. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Analysis and simulation. So this I will do on a part 2 video. So stay tuned. That's all, folks. This is a very short and sweet video, and please do follow me on Trendrooster, my Twitter handle, and do send me any email or chat me with me Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay, thanks and have a good day.